Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to avoid ferry crossing on the Maps.me application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So, that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the right bar, click to the first option, the more, and here you can find the settings. Go to the settings, the second option, the routing options, and here you can find the third option, the avoid ferry crossings. New, if you want to enable, click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled, so you can use that. But if you want to turn off, click that circle again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.